I think I would be talking this much about cleaning supplies, but I get really excited about it. I never thought I would. I mean, I liked cleaning, but not that much. My eyes light up and I get very excited when I'm either learning something new about a product or just being able to use a mop on my own kitchen floors. I think that there's a common misconception. I have it myself. It's a mop, it's a broom. It isn't going to add value. I just need to clean up a mess. But when I started working here, I saw that these little details that O-Cedar takes the time to research and innovate upon are the things that do allow the consumer to have such a better experience with the fact that they're saving time, or they're not literally having to bend down and wring out a mop and have a wet mess on their floor to clean up. All of those things point back to a positive consumer experience. It could be the material on a mop that you're using. It can be literally the length of a fiber that is made for our brooms. And through that innovation and looking at each of those little details on every single product that we roll out to stores is really making everyone's life easier. Many of us do spend more time here than we do at home, and so it is something true to our hearts. I do it because I'm passionate about product and I'm passionate about marketing. It's something that I am obsessed with. It excites me. O-Cedar listens. O-Cedar truly innovates. We want to stay on the cusp of innovation, and we have the tools and we invest in every way possible to do so. And it's exciting in this time to be able to invest where we see the consumer having a better experience. When we develop or manufacture a product or pieces of a product, that's what we are always going back to, is making your life easier.